What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a shorter one, but I was just doing some backtesting here. I haven't posted a backtesting video in a while, but I've been just doing some backtesting today. I've done quite a few weeks today itself, and my results are unbelievable. I've been seeing the best results doing this right now. We're currently at an 80% win rate with $18,500 worth of profit. And if I go to my journal, well, I'll show you once we take a trade here because I don't really want to screw with anything. But I'm trading a new model. I wouldn't say a new model, but a little bit of this. It's the exact same model I was trading before, the inverse fair value gap, but with a little bit of a tweak. This model is called the ABS model, Anticipator Breaker Block Strategy. If you guys haven't heard of that, I'll put links in my description here to go and check those out. There's creators who have created a lot of videos on this, so they should get the recognition for it, and they know how to teach it the best, and I'm still learning it myself, so I thought I'd just take you guys along the journey with this. But so far the results have been unbelievable. I'm going to pull the journal up here. Actually, I think I can get it going right now. And so far, like I said, 80% win rate. I've only done 2 months, or not even 2 months. I've done like a month and a half. I think I'm doing the, here we go. So we're currently on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'll just be doing 3 trades in this video. Hopefully we get a trade. If not, then obviously probably won't post this video. But January was killer. We had TP2, 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 3 losses total. We had a loss here, but then a re-entry of the same trade, so got the win on the second entry, making $752. But this is all on a 100K account, risking 1% on NASDAQ. So without further ado, let's just jump right in this video. Now, I'm not using news right now. Like, I don't have news events on my like, I haven't been looking at the news, which is what I should be doing, but we're just going to go through this video without doing that. So anyways, first things first, what I'm doing is I'm going to mark out all the sessions, which we've already taken out all the session liquidity. So there's no reason for me to mark out Asia low, London low. There's no lows and highs to be taken. We have this huge sell-off here. I'm actually going to jump down to the 1 minute here to see if there's data highs, which there is. We've already taken data low, data high. So we've taken data low. Probably going to look for a long 2 data high, just from previous experience and what we know. I'm going to look for some obvious SMTs right now, which I don't see anything too obvious. Is that an SMT there with Asia high? No. Okay. So I'm just going to go to the 4 hour. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, we are in premium, or we're in discount of this range here from this high to this high, and we're actually kind of at an OTE right now. So a rejection off of this, a rejection off OTE to trade higher could be super clean. Not much for me to work with here. I am gonna mark out this low though, just to be safe, and I'll mark it out on ES as well. Not much to work with, honestly, on this. This candle's really laggy, so I don't really know what to go off of here. We're at OTE. We got data high. We had the sweep of this low here, so previous day low has been taken. Unfortunately, there's not a lot. We do have this unfilled. It's not really a fair value gap because of how big the candle is, but we have this unfilled 15 here. I'd probably just want to look for some sort of long into data high here. So let's see how market opens. I'm hoping market can open lower, and then we take a long up to data high. Okay, so we just filled the 15 there. Nothing crazy for me. SMT at the high, probably going to get invalidated right away. I want to see us trade, come back lower, trade maybe to this unfilled 15 here, and then trade higher probably. I'm not ideally open to shorts, but have this 15-minute unfilled, 15-minute CISD, so we should be coming back into the range at some point here. This could, no. Yeah, no. So not really seeing much that I like right now. I just don't like how we left at a high. Do want to mark out EQ here though. Personally, shorts just aren't it. There's nothing to go off of, in my opinion at least. Like if I was to try a short, I would. I don't even think no, there is no shorting opportunity right now. Nothing. There we go. Nothing that I like. No internal SMT. Let's go back to the 15 here, because I'm still open to longing for sure. Maybe we trade lower to EQ. Let's see. We can get an internal SMT, like with tapping into EQ. I could definitely see myself longing right now. Nothing in my liking so far. Still want to see us come lower, which it doesn't look like we are going to get an entry. So I'm gonna go back and reevaluate and see what's going on here. Maybe we can trade up to our standard deviations. A lot of lines on the chart now. So now we're at 1.5 standard. As much as I want it, like longs could be so clean, but our shorts could be clean. But I just don't see a point in shorting when there's equal high, our data highs right above. And there's no trade. I don't see anything today. There's some moves. Right, this short position, no confirmation, nothing super clear. My draw on liquidity was data high, but no entry down there. There's just nothing for me this day, so I'm just gonna skip it. Nothing super clear, nothing worth taking in my opinion. Okay, so come down to here. I'm gonna go into the 1 minute quickly, and then we'll mark out which one's data. This is data high. I don't know. Okay, I spelled that so wrong, but I don't really care. And we don't have an SMT with data high. We do not. So data high on both ends are still left open. We are high up in the range. Let's jump up to the 15 and see what we can get here. London low still available. And then Asia high is open. So we got a lot of opposite session liquidity open for us. Is that an SMT? We got an SMT right here. And then previous day low, it's way down here. Personally, like a sweep of data high to a short down to London low could be clean, or even like an SMT with Asia high or something would be clean, some sort of SMT. But I want to see what the higher time frame's telling us. These are pretty choppy market conditions right now. So on the 4 hour, we have that's been swept. We do have an SMT right here with this high. And this high is still intact, yep. So shorts could be clean. Shorts could be clean. We have that external SMT, and now if we can get something on the internal, it'd be nice. We're in high premium, so Are we trading into OTE here? Yeah, kind of OTE rejection. And rejecting 1.5 standard deviation in this 4-hour or 1-hour fair value gap. Taking out London high here. No SMT with London high, so nothing to concern. But we took out London high. I'd just like to see data high. I'm not shorting until data high is taken. But shorts look really clean. Bang. Bang for your buck. Yeah, honestly, shorts would be super clean. I like shorts. I like the idea of them. As long as we can get something clean here. It's so irritating because this is clean, but I don't like how we have an external SMT. I might just try it. Honestly, I don't like it because of the SMT at the low, but I might just try it. It just looks super clean. Probably I'd go break even at the breaker block there, or at the order block. Take it all the way down to the lows down here. I just don't like how we have this SMT. Kind of want to just forward test this, but I'm gonna try it. And this is how we learn, right? I don't think I'd live trade this because it's definitely not A+. I'll tell you that one right now. It's definitely not an A+ setup. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even if we hit this low here. This is throwing me off. Boom. Okay, so TP1 has been hit. Take some profits, move stop to break even, and then see if the rest will run. I don't think it will. Yeah, I don't think it will. We got SMT. Got mad SMT. Oh, now my computer froze. There we go. Yeah, so I mean, it was good setup. Everything about this setup was clean. I actually really liked this. It was just the CISD would have been a better entry, but I like the entry off the 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Yeah. Overall, I'm not going to complain. It did do exactly what I expected. I was just going to expect this to go lower, but obviously this SMT here with this low is what caught me off guard. All that SMT there. But let's see if price actually wants to keep going lower or not. Well, looks like that's the move higher there. That's what's going to drive us higher, yeah. No complaints. No complaints. Make sure that journal got that saved. Little profit for that day, 283. Money's money, man. If I make 283, I'd be pretty pumped. Are we on the next day here? We're not. It's Thursday. What day did I just take that on? Is this Wednesday? No, it is Thursday. Okay. So we'll go to Friday and then call it a video. And then I'll come back for more back testing. Obviously, I'll be doing more of these videos in the long run here, but because I want to get as much data. I'm just gonna do 2025's data, and then we'll see what 2020's data tells me, and so on. See if I can get better results with this strategy than my inverse fair value gap strategy. But we got London high here starting off. We've swept out Asia low, and we've swept out London low. No super clear SMT quite yet. Looks like we will probably will have an SMT with this high here, but it's not super efficient. We've swept out previous day high, and we have previous day low over here. I just need to jump to the 4 hour because it's a little super unclear. So it looks like we're breaking out of this range. That being said, we very well could just continue seeing this go higher. In this 4 hour fair value gap, we do have an unfilled 4 hour, but it's not really to my concern as we're rejecting this 4 hour. So I think that we're gonna probably continue to the upside to take out London high there. Jump down to a 1 hour, inverse this 1 hour fair value gap. So this is gonna be my draw on liquidity right here. Come down to a 15. If we can retrace lower, like come lower, trace into like OTE or something. See how the open is. Oh yeah, I'd like to see us come lower at some point. We haven't taken that high out quite yet. Either A, I want to see London high be taken or retrace into here. But right now, I don't see anything I'm in the likes for. Not liking much. We do have an SMT here. Just the thought of shorting this right now with such a clear draw is just not in my favor. Let's go to the hourly and see what we got. We have no hourly, but this is 1 hour CISD/OB. This is an area of rejection here. Are we trading into OT of this range? Yeah, we're into OTE of the range. Just going on the 5 minute. 5 minute, not much. Like, because we got this, right? So 1.5 standard deviation is up by London high, so. Such clean LRL here, though. SMT here. So external SMT rejecting OTE. Right there would have been your entry. Taking this candle here. Top of the high. Obviously I'm not going to take it because of the video, but if this is what you were looking for, this is what you'd kind of want to look for. And it doesn't even work. It's TP1 anyways. Honestly, I just kind of want to see London high get taken, which it just did. So now we have an SMT with London high. I'm okay. I'm open to shorts now for sure. So we're at London high rejecting 1.5 standard deviation on the 15 here. I'll smack the first 1 minute if we get an SMT, which it looks like we already have one. Tiny little SMT here, but I don't think I can like that. That sucks. One minute inverse fair value gap here. Your ABS would be down here. I'm gonna give this a try. Are we tapping into anything on the higher time frame? Okay, so we are tapping into that. So we do have like a 4 hour OB. We are trading into a 5 minute here. I'm anticipating this 5 minute to be broken. I'm going to try it. I think it's worth trying. We'll go break even. I don't really even know where to go break even here. Go break even like at this. I think that's 1-to-1 there. No, 1-to-1's right here. So go break even around like these wick areas, around this area. And whoa. Definitely break even trade. I'm stopping me out at break even there. That's definitely a break even trade, respecting that OB. I'm not risking that. Especially after being edged there, almost stopped out. Take myself out there for I'll just take myself out for a small loss. Or yeah, that ain't too satisfying. I didn't like that reaction. I'll definitely look for a re-entry, but just don't like the way that reacted off of this. Off the OB there. I'm probably still rejecting the 5-minute, yeah. So here, I'm going to move stop to break even. Get stopped out, obviously. Let's see what happens. Comes on up. No SMT at the high. Takes out TP1. Let's see if the break even breaks me or not. Taps into the would have been break even regardless. If we can get a clean thing here, I'll look for possible re-entry. Like if I can get an inverse right now, I'd look for a clean. I'd look for a re-entry, but I doubt it. Yeah, that's right at 8. I don't want to take that. We'll forward test it though. That wicked me out. No, it didn't, but it's about to. Boom. That would have been a crazy trade to hold. That would have been an emotional trade to hold. But there's the re-entry and there's the execution there. That's the 8 o'clock reversal. So I didn't like it. I didn't really like too much for today. So I'm just gonna journal that. Keep that as a photo. But so far, I mean, out of the 2 days here, we had this one single trade. We had a break even, one winning trade throughout this week. So nothing crazy for losses yet. Most people are going to be like, oh, well, that one should be a loss. But I told you I'd want to go break even at that point. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed these videos, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to put the links to those people's, to Krabs and Ozzy's social medias below. You guys can go check out their videos. Super good knowledge, super good stuff. So if you guys want to continue watching my back testing of the ABS model, stay tuned. I'll keep uploading videos, but in the meantime, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you guys would like to see any future videos of mine, anything for Instagram as well. All my socials will be in the description if you want to go check those out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.